how you can add emotion in your Elevenlabs. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now, let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is just open your Elevenlabs, and after you do that, just log into it. So after your Elevenlabs open up, what you'll need to do is just type in your text. So after you type in your text, you need to generate the speech. Now you can add your emotions by just toggling with the stability. So let us try with a stability of 70%. Now generate speech. Now while this generates, you need to make sure that your internet connection is strong. Now it might take some time to generate. So this is how it sounds with the 70% stability.
How could you do this to me?
Now let's try this by, decreasing the stability. So now regenerate the speech.
How could you do this to me?
So you can, just play with this. You can
How could you do this to me?
stability, you can decrease stability, and you can add emotion by just doing that. So it's that simple, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.